I'm excited to announce that the new Ampler Nova e-bikes can be charged with a regular laptop charger. No need to carry around a bulky, custom, bike-specific power block. Charge your bike wherever you are, at home, on the go, or even in the office. Use your own or borrow a charger from a friend or a colleague. So this idea began at one of our company hackathons back in 2020, when we asked ourselves the question, why can't e-bikes be charged with laptop chargers? It has taken some time for the technology to catch up, but today we are thrilled to bring this innovation to the market. We've got sustainability in our hearts at Ampler. That's why we were thrilled when Europe introduced new regulations to reduce electronic waste. But we believe it's time to take this even one step further by being the world's first to bring USB-C charging to e-bikes. Because sometimes great innovations don't mean adding more. They're really about making things simpler. USB-C and Ampler sounds sweet, doesn't it?